Okay, am I audible? Okay, great. So, good evening, all of you. So, in last class, we talked about mapping techniques, right? Any doubt from mapping techniques? Okay, so let us move on to next thing that is replacement algorithm. Okay, let us take replacement algorithm. Uh, So in last class, what happened while replacing some block in line in some line of cache memory, we have to okay. Let us take a simple scenario. Assume that this is the cache memory. It have total 4 blocks. All are full 8 present. And if I want to bring a new block inside cache memory, then I'm not getting any free block here. Sorry, free line here. So what happens? I have to replace some existing block with new block. Then some replacement algorithm will come into picture. And in last class, I gave you some indication like FIFO, LRU, MRU, and optimal replacement algorithm. Fine. So I will not go into details of replacement algorithm. I just skim through it because it is easy topic and lot of students done in operating system also. Okay, so let us come to very first one, that is FIFO, first in first out. जो पहले आया वो पहले बाहर जाएगा. That's it. So let us take a cache memory with the capacity of let us take 3 blocks only. This is cache memory, and assume that I'm going to refer block like 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then 3, 7, 1, 5. Okay, just take this thing. So these are the blocks of main memory, right? So these are the blocks of main memory, right? I will take this example only for explaining all algorithms, right? So these are the blocks of main memory. That means first of all I will refer this block, then this block, then this block, then this block, and so on. Initially my cache memory is completely empty. So what happens? Initially block number 2 not present, so bring into cache memory. So it was a hit operation, sorry, miss operation. Second, 3 is also not there. Bring 3 into cache memory. Again miss operation. Now bring 4 into cache memory. That is also miss operation. Now come to 1. Right? So if I want to access block number 1 of main memory, but it should into cache memory. So at present it is not available into cache memory. So we have to bring block number 1 into cache memory, right? But there is no empty line into cache memory. So some existing block has to be replaced by one. So किसे replace करेंगे? According to FIFO सबसे पहले कौन आया था? 2. तो 2 को replace कर देंगे. So 2 की जगह कौन ले लेगा? 1. Thereafter 2. Let us see. Again I got 2. तो 2 किसकी जगह ले लेगा? I think 2 is also not available. Okay, Nina said video stuck. Is it still there? Okay, so 3 की जगह कौन आएगा? This is 2. Now come to next one, that is nothing but 3. 3 किसकी जगह आएगा? 4 की जगह. This is the 3. Now come to 7. 7 किसकी जगह आएगा? 1. Right? So 1 की जगह कौन आएगा? 7. And finally 5 किसकी जगह आएगा? 2 की जगह. Fine. And if I want to refer 7 again, or let us take 3 again, then 7 this time no miss and 3 no miss. Sorry. Yeah, no miss and again no miss, because 7 and 3 are already into cache memory. So total number of miss operation कितने हुए? Total number of miss operation. Simply इनको count कर लो. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 2. It become total 8. So total 8 miss हुए. So ये topic net exam के लिए important है, because in net examination they are asking easy questions only. Fine. So they will give you some sequence of blocks, and they will say that following blocks of main memory are referred by the CPU, and consider a cache memory of capacity 3 block. What are the total number of miss operation? That is the thing you have to solve. Okay. Okay, so I'm not getting your doubt, Surbhi. You are saying that 7K. I'm not getting you. Can you please retype? Okay, let me to verify you. Let us take 2, 3, 4, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, after 3, 7 will take place of 1, then 1 will take. Okay, okay, okay. So I think 1 यहाँ पे आएगा. Sorry, I made some mistake. And who is next? 5. So 5 यहाँ पे आएगा. Fine. Then 7 is hit and this 3 is also hit. So these two are, I'm putting here H. Oh, 3 is also missed. So I have to bring 3 also. Oh, I made lot of mistake here. Okay. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, okay, fine. I think it is okay now. What are the total number of miss operation now? It is 10. 10 is the total number of miss operation. I think I took 5 directly. Oh, I took 7 directly. Fine. Okay, so okay, so 7 replace Q nahi hoga. Let us see. Come to this point. This is 7. And if you are talking about 1, तो 1 किसे replace करेगा? 2 को. Then 5. 5 किसे replace करेगा? 3 को. Now come to 7. ये hit operation हुआ. Now come to 3. So 3 जब 3 को हमें access करना है, उस टाइम पॉइंट पे कैशे मेमोरी में कौन कौन है? 7, 1 एंड 5. इन तीनों में सबसे पहले कौन आया? 7 आया है. Right? If you are in little bit dilemma, then let me to clear your confusion. Let us take, I'm going to access 2, then 3, then let us take again 2, again 2, again 2, right? And then I'm accessing 4. Let us take this situation. So what is happening? Let us take a cache memory of capacity only 2 lines. So initially 2 के corresponding miss operation होगा, 3 के corresponding miss operation होगा. Now this 2 is hit, this 2 is hit, and this 2 is also hit. Now I got 4, right? So if I got 4, then I have to consider कि cache memory में कौन कौन से block है. I have 2 and 3 ना. तो 2 और 3 में पहले कौन आया था? पहले 2 आया था. Don't pay attention over these 2s. Right? I think you are in confusion just because of this server. Right? So यहाँ पे 4 किसकी जगह आएगा? 2 की जगह आएगा. Got it? Okay, 7 अभी आया. It is not like this one. This 7 is second time. Fine. So second time जब 7 को refer किया, then it is hit operation. It is not a miss operation. So I cannot say like this one. Okay, whenever I'm referring 7 second time, then I'm bringing block number 7 from main memory. I'm bringing it from main memory. It is not like this one. It is already into main memory. Got it? So if you are talking about अभी अभी use हुआ है, तो वो कोई और replacement algorithm बन जाएगी. I think that is LRU, least recently used. Okay, so anybody have doubt? I think now finally I done it correctly. Okay, any more doubt over it? Okay, fine. So let us come to next one. I will take single example and I will compare all of them. And a lot of student also know replacement algorithm. So let us come to next one, LRU, right? LRU. So LRU को याद रखने का एक सिंपल सा फंडा है. Let us take कोई दो इवेंट है, पहला इवेंट E1 और दूसरा इवेंट E2. And assume that event E1 1 year पहले हुआ था और इवेंट 2 है वो 2 years पहले हुआ है. Fine. And assume that P is the present date, right? So what I will say, these two events are recent event, recently हुए हैं, right? So forget about के कल परसों हुआ, that is recent. if you think that okay, something happens 1 or 2 days back, then it is a recent thing, then I will put here 1 day back or 2 day back kind of thing. Well, 1 day ago, 2 day ago, I can put that kind of situation. But let us take just for simplicity purpose, it is 1 year back event and it is 2 year back event. So these are the two event and both are recent event. But इन दोनों में से more recent कौन है? Who is the more recent? Both are recent event, but who is the more recent? Okay, so even is the more recent. I'm writing MR stands for more recent. And what about least recent? E2 is the least recent. Got it? So MRU and LRU based on this concept only. If I'm talking about LRU, it is stands for least recently used. यानी कि जो सबसे पहले use हुआ था उसी को replace करना है. Now let us consider same example. So this is cache memory. It have 3 blocks. And initially it is empty. So first of all, I got block number 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2, 3, 4. So 2 is miss, 3 is miss, and 4 is also miss. Now come to 1. So again 1 के लिए कोई empty line नहीं है. Then what happens? I have to replace some existing block. So if I'm talking about 4, तो ये most recent है, इसे replace नहीं करेंगे. If I'm talking about 3, तो 4 के corresponding more recent है, but 2 के corresponding 4 के corresponding least recent है, but 2 के corresponding more recent है. But somehow 2, 3, 4 इन तीनों में से least recent कौन है? 2 is the least recent. So 2 को replace कर देंगे 1 से. So 2 की location पे कौन आ जाएगा? 1. Now come to next one. Next one is nothing but I got 2. So again 2 क्या हुआ? It is miss operation. तो 2 किसकी जगह लेगा? 8% my cache memory contain 1, 3 and 4. So let us take it as 1, 1, 3 and 4. इन तीनों में से least recent कौन है? So 3 is the least recent. So 3 को replace कर देंगे 2 से. Fine. Now come to next one. That is nothing but 3. 3 किसको replace करेगा? 4 को. So 4 की जगह कौन आ जाएगा? 3. Why? Because 8% my cache contain 1, 2 and 4. So 1, 2 and 4 में 1 to 4 में 4 is the least recent, right? That is the situation. And if I'm talking about 7, 7 किसे replace करेगा? 7 will replace 1, तो 1 की जगह कौन आ जाएगा? 7. And next one is 5. 5 किसे replace करेगा? Okay, just a minute. Sorry. Again, I'm skipping it. Now come to 1. 1 किसकी जगह आएगा? Okay, so if I'm talking about 1, 8% my cache contain, let us take 2, 3 and 7. So 1 को लेके आना. 7 और 3 अभी यूज हुए. 2 सबसे पहले यूज हुआ, तो 2 की जगह कौन आ जाएगा? 1. Now come to next one, 5. 5 also miss. So I think मैं cache contain 1, 7 and 3. So 1, 7, 3. So 3 least recently है, तो 3 की जगह कौन आ जाएगा? 5. And now come to 7. 7 is the hit operation. And if I'm talking about 3, 3 is the miss operation. 3 किसकी जगह आएगा? 3 किसे रिप्लेस करेगा? Okay, so 3 किसकी जगह आएगा? Our video didn't stuck. Actually, I got a couple of mails, so I had to check it. Okay, so 3 will take place of 1, so 1 की जगह कौन आ जाएगा 3, 3 will be there. So I hope you got difference. यहाँ पे 7 को रिप्लेस किया था और यहाँ पे 1 को रिप्लेस किया है. So this is LRU and this is FIFO. I hope you got difference between both of them. Okay, just wait for a moment. Okay, ओके, सेकंड चांस पेज रिप्लेसमेंट भी होता है. ओके, ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज सेकंड चांस रिप्लेसमेंट आल्सो, बट आई फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. आई डिडंट लुक इनटू इट. सो उसमें क्या होता है कि लेट अस सी, हर किसी को एक एक चांस देते हैं, राइट? So it is, I think, somewhat like I have to replace something, I will not replace it. I will try next one. Means I will give him second chance, right? So I think it is somewhat same as FIFO, but we are giving it second chance kind of thing. Means कुछ ऐसा होता है. Assume that I have to replace 7, but I will not replace it. I'm saying, okay, I am giving it one chance, right? Then I'm just going to pick 3. Let us take 1. I have to 1, but I will say, okay, I'm giving it you one chance, but एक chance already दे रखा है, then definitely I have to replace it. Now come to let us take again कि 7 फिर से in between use हो गया तो उसके chances फिर से reset हो जाते हैं. The kind of story. I think video stuck. Okay, fine. Okay, so let us see. This is LRU. This is FIFO, right? Oh, okay. I will discuss you that. Okay, I will discuss. Don't worry. That second chance also. Don't worry about it. It is not complicated thing at all. Okay, now come to next one, that is MRU. So MRU stands for most recently used, यानी कि जो अभी अभी यूज हुआ, that is MRU. Fine. So let us take same situation. So first of all 2, 3, 4 ये same होगा, and now come to 1. If I'm talking about 1, so I have to replace 2, 3 or 4 with 1. But this time मैं किसे pick करूँगा? Most recently कौन use हुआ है? Who is used most recently? 4. तो 4 की जगह कौन आ जाएगा? 1. Now come to 2. Right? 2 क्या हुआ? Hit हुआ. Now come to 3. 3 is also hit. Now come to 7. 7 किसे replace करेगा? 7 किसकी जगह आएगा? Right, 3 की जगह. So 3 की जगह कौन आ चुका है? 7. Now come to next 1. Right, 1 is also okay. 1 is hit this time. And if I'm talking about 5, so 5 किसकी जगह आएगा? 1 की जगह. Why? Because 1 is the most recent. So 1 की जगह 5 आएगा. Now come to next one, that is nothing but 7. 7 is hit. Come to 3. 3 किसकी जगह आएगा? 7 की जगह 3 आ जाएगा. फाइन. सो यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ मिस ऑपरेशन कितने हुए थे? 10. और यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ मिस ऑपरेशन कितने हैं? 7 ओनली. नाउ कम टू लास्ट वन, ऑप्टिमल. optimal page replacement algorithm. So what happens in optimal page replacement algorithm? So अब तक हमने क्या चेक किया था? We checked into the past. Now we will check into future. Means we already have a sequence of blocks to be used, right? So what happens? We will check in the future, and I hope you know very well. Future में उसी को replace करेंगे जो near future में use नहीं हो रहा, right? So first of all 2, 3, 4 as it is, and if I'm talking about 1 को किससे रिप्लेस करेंगे? 2 और 3 नियर फ्यूचर में यूज होंगे, सो आई shouldn't replace 2 and 3. So who is remaining? 4. So 4 की जगह कौन आ जाएगा? 1. 2 hit, 3 hit. What about 7? 7 को किससे रिप्लेस करेंगे? 7 will replace which block? Okay, 7 2 को replace करेगा. Why? Because if I'm talking about current blocks in the main memory, then I think I have to use 2 and 3 in the near future, but I'm not using 3 anywhere. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 and 3 we have to use in the near future. Only remaining thing is nothing but 2, so 7 will take place of 2. And what about 1? 1 is the hit operation. And what about 5? 5 किसकी जगह आएगा? 5. ओके, सो 7 और 3 दोनों नियर फ्यूचर में यूज होंगे, तो 5 किसकी जगह आएगा? 1 की जगह. एंड फर्दर 7 is hit and 3 is also hit. So total number of missed operations are 6. That's it. So these are the all for replacement algorithm, and second chance replacement I will discuss probably in next class. Okay, and let us see one more thing. Examination में कुछ ऐसे questions आते हैं, they are giving you statement and you have to identify true statement and false statement. So what they could ask? They could ask you LRU have more page fault than FIFO, LRU have more fault than MRU, MRU and LRU have same page fault kind of thing, or they can say that optimal replacement algorithm always have lesser number of miss than FIFO kind of thing, right? So what do you say? क्या optimal में number of okay, write down one statement, you have to identify it as true or false. Write down. assume M1 is the number of miss operation using FIFO algorithm. Assume M1 is the number of miss operation using FIFO algorithm. Using FIFO algorithm. And M2 is number of miss operation using optimal replacement algorithm. And M2 is number of miss operations using optimal replacement algorithm, or you can add an optimal block replacement algorithm. Now consider following statement, and statement is M2 always less than M1. M2 always less than M1. Is it true statement? Now statement is M2 always less than M1. Is it true statement? Okay, I am repeating what is thing. M1 is the number of miss operation using FIFO and M2 is the number of miss operation using optimal. Now M2 is always less than M1. Is it true statement? Means you have to identify this is true or false. M2 is always less than M1. I hope you know the difference between some and all. All will give us true whether it is true for every situation, and some will give us true if it is true for at least one situation, or we can say one case. Okay, yeah, not always. So if it is not always, that means this statement is false. Right? You can take a simple example. Let us take, this is the cache memory. It have only 2 block, and I am going to refer 1, 2, 3 and 4. Doesn't matter, किसी को use कर लेना, चारों के चारों miss होंगे. Fine. So FIFO की help से कितने miss operation होंगे? 4. And optimal की help से that is also 4. But they क्या रखा? Always number of miss operation in optimal replace algorithm is strictly lesser than number of miss operation in. Yeah, it is may or may not true. So that's why it is false. And if somebody put this relationship lesser than or equal to, now this statement is true. Got it? So be careful about it. If somebody is saying that, means optimal replacement algorithm always have sorry, yeah, forget about it, whatever somebody is saying that, but somehow if this relationship is less than or equal to, then it is always true. But if it is strictly lesser than, then it is not always true. Sometime it might be false also, right? So obviously it is may or may not, so that's why it is false. Okay, so these were the replacement algorithms. So anybody have doubt over it? Okay, great. So now come to next thing, that is type of memory organization. Type of memory organization. So what is meaning of type of memory organization? So जब हमारे पास multiple levels होंगे, so here I shouldn't say cache, main memory and secondary memory. Directly I will use terms like memory level 1, memory level 2 and so on. So how I am going to organize that memory, that thing is known as type of memory organization, right? So let us assume we have memories L1, L2, L3 and L4. Let us take we have total 4 levels of memory, right? So in 4 levels को हम कैसे access करेंगे? That is the thing. Fine. So types of memory organization में हमारे पास 2 types होते हैं. पहला type है simultaneous memory access. It is first type of memory organization, simultaneous memory access. So what happens in simultaneous memory access? Let us assume this is CPU and this is level 1 memory and this is level 2 memory and this is level 3 memory and so on. Take it is level n memory. So CPU सारे के सारे levels को एक साथ access करेगा. Fine. It will access L1, it will access L2, L3 and L4. So you can imagine L1 is register, L2 is cache, L3 is level 2 cache and so on. Fine. So CPU will not search like check into L1, data is not present, then go to level 2, transfer data from level 2 to level 1 kind of thing. It will check into all levels simultaneously. So that's why it is known as simultaneous memory access. Is it clear? Now what happens? CPU level 1 और level 2 में check करेगा. Assume करते हैं level 1 को access करने का time है 1 nanosecond, level 2 को access करने का time है let us take 10 nanosecond, right? And so on. Rest of levels का time कुछ भी हो सकता है. Forget about it. So CPU directly level 1 और level 2 दोनों को access करेगा. So level 1 और level 2 दोनों एक साथ एक्सेस हो रही है, बट जैसे ही हमें लेवल 1 में डेटा मिल गया, हम लेवल 2 को रेफर नहीं करेंगे, मीन्स उसके एक्सेस को इन बिटवीन ही छोड़ देंगे, राइट? एंड इट इज नॉट सो मच पॉपुलर ऑल्सो, हार्डली यूज्ड इन सम सिस्टम्स. Okay, so just take a 5 minutes break. I got a couple of mails regarding something I have to reply.